Hello amazing person, welcome or welcome back to the channel. If you're seeing this face for the first time, this is Ajori Style. If it is not, you're welcome back to the channel. So I'm going to share this video from my experience. Okay, I always think the algorithm hated me because I post videos and I don't see likes. I post videos, I don't see anybody liking my video. Like, that's really feels so sad. That's really feels so bad, especially as a small creator that you're trying your best, you're putting in your best to make sure that you create the best content and create videos that people will actually watch. But at the end of the day, you find out that after spending hours on filming, editing, trying to optimize your videos by checking for keywords that rank and all of this stress and hassle, and at the end of the day, 1 week you have less than 10 views, 20 views, 40 views. Like, I used to feel during those times that the YouTube algorithm hated my channel, and the major thing I used to feel then was that because my channel is not new. I remember at some point on YouTube I wasn't consistent. I felt like, okay, the YouTube algorithm hated me because there at some point I have not been posting, I have not been consistent. But there was something that struck me. Okay, there was something I discovered that no, the YouTube algorithm doesn't hate me. First of all, let's just start with this. Does YouTube even know you? The YouTube algorithm doesn't even know you as a content creator. This is a computer. They don't even know you by your name. They only know you by the data and the information you feed it with. Second thing I also discovered was that the YouTube algorithm is not after my channel. What the YouTube algorithm is after is my viewers, what people want to watch. Like, we should know that YouTube is a business. Yes, somebody actually created this app to bring people or to keep people on this app to watch videos. Okay, so for instance, okay, let's just take the YouTube app like a big mall. Yes, a shopping mall that has many stores in it. That is how YouTube is. Like, if your store, which is your channel, is not bringing people, is not keeping people on YouTube, YouTube is not going to advertise your store. I'm just using this business term so you can understand exactly what I'm talking about. So YouTube want to keep people watching. Now the question is, where are these people watching? Is it on your channel? Is it on my channel? Is it on someone else's channel? Okay, so if people are coming on your channel, if people are coming to your store to patronize, to buy, to stay on your channel, see, YouTube is going to advertise that store the more. That is just how this whole YouTube thing works. So they don't know you in person, but they know you because your audience are always coming to watch your videos. So you have to be creating what your audience want to watch and not you trying to please the YouTube algorithm. You can't even please the YouTube algorithm because they don't even know you. They are only after your viewers. They only want to keep people watching your videos. So you have to make sure you're creating valuable content that will keep those people on your channel. And the third thing I discovered about the YouTube algorithm is, when it comes to YouTube pushing your content and for YouTube to recommend your content, it takes just two things. Yes, I'm going to tell you in this video. The first thing it takes for YouTube to recommend or push your videos is the click-through rates. When you make a video and you upload it, YouTube is going to show that video to lots of people. Now, another thing, I think I'm going to make a separate video on that, about how you have to know your audience or people you are creating your videos for. Okay, that aside, YouTube shows your content to like a specific group of people. Okay, I think the most of them are your subscribers. Now, when they see that video and the more they click on that video, they tap and they watch, they tap, that is your increasing your click-through rate. But when YouTube show this video to like more people and those people are not clicking, they are swiping away, it's not giving the algorithm a good signal. It's like, it seems this is not a good content, because YouTube don't want to waste people's time or shove what they don't want to watch on their throat. So YouTube wants to give viewers what they really want to watch on YouTube. So today's community shout out goes to Kirabo Vassy. Yes, she's a YouTuber who shares inspiring videos to those who are wounded, to those who are heartbroken, and how they can stand up for themselves and how they can heal from those wounds and find happiness again. So this channel is like a channel you need to check out. Subscribe to her channel. I'm going to leave what her channel looks like here. Okay, go check her out, subscribe, support her, and leave a comment in the comment section that you're coming from Ajori Style. So the second factor that determines how YouTube pushes or recommends your video is the average duration view. Yes, I'm going to explain what this means. Imagine now when somebody sees your content and they click on that content and they watch, okay, the seconds or the minutes they spend watching that content, it's also a factor to determine if YouTube is going to push that your video to a wider audience. Now, if you have a 3-minute video, okay, and maybe your thumbnail was good, your title was good, somebody actually saw that video and clicked on it, they clicked and they watched like the first 10 seconds, like it's not something they really want to watch. Maybe your title or your thumbnail didn't match what was their expectation on that video, see, and they click out. Like when more people are clicking out, this is giving you a lower average duration view. The average duration view basically means how long people stay when they click your video. When you're making a video, okay, and people click that video and they watch and they stay longer, that is a good sign to the algorithm. Remember, the algorithm doesn't know you. The algorithm doesn't hate you. What the algorithm is about, or what the algorithm cares about, is those people that are clicking to watch your videos, and those are your viewers. That's the only thing the YouTube algorithm is after, not even you. So when people are staying longer, it gives the YouTube algorithm a good signal to push that video to a wider audience. But if people are not clicking and they are not staying longer, then you should know that there's something, maybe there's something wrong with your video. But trust me, sometimes the YouTube algorithm doesn't just want to push that content out. That is the simple truth. And when you see that on some of your videos, do not panic. Head over to the next one. You can check or trace your analytics in your YouTube studio and see the points where people started clicking out. This can also help you to strategize in your next video, improve on that video, so that when people watch your next video, they're going to stay longer and increase your average duration view. Now, for every problem, okay, there has to be a solution. Yes, we have to think about improving on these two things, these two factors that determines how well YouTube can recommend our videos and how well YouTube can push our videos, which is the average duration view and the click-through rate. We can improve that by improving on our thumbnails and titles, because when people see your thumbnails, they don't even know what the content of that video is about until they click and they watch. So the first thing you should improve on is the door to your video, which is the thumbnail and the title of that video. So when you've done that, when you've improved on that, the next thing you should improve is the average duration view. This has to do with your content. The first 20 to 30 seconds of your video, what are you saying? Are you saying something that is going to keep that viewer hooked to the end of the video, or at least to the middle of the video, or you're doing something that's going to make that viewer just lose interest and click out? What are you doing in your content? This is going to increase your average duration view. So you have to keep people watching. This way you have to hook them in the first 10-20 seconds of your video. When they click, give them something enticing. If it's a vlog, put the most interesting part of that your video in the first 10-20 seconds. If it's a tutorial, tell them what they are going to benefit, and make sure what you're saying is going to match the thumbnail and match the title of that video. This way you're going to increase your average duration view and also increase your click-through rates for that video. So I hope you learned something today in today's video. Please let me know if you did in the comment section, and if you do, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, drop in the comment section if you've had that thought that the YouTube algorithm hated it, because I once had that thought in my head that the algorithm hated me. But I'm so glad for knowledge. I'm so glad for understanding, or trying to understand, because you never can understand the YouTube algorithm. The way it works, it changes with time. So we just have to always re-strategize and just follow up the YouTube algorithm. So drop in the comment section what you think, like this video, subscribe to the channel if you have not, for more helpful videos like this, and I'll definitely see you in my next video. Right now, click on these videos you're seeing on your screen, click on them and watch. I'll see you again in my next one. Bye.